My cousin is now going to, on Forza, drive a Lamborghini Reventon on her track of choice. I would recommend you put the driving to. Now pick a track. There's plenty to choose from. I would recommend something. I would recommend Old the Man's Indianapolis. I'll tell you. Actually, it shows you what the track looks like. So see anywhere that looks pretty and take your pick.
That's the one we just did, right?
Yes, that's the one we just did with that ridiculously long straight.
Okay. Where's that really boring one you?
That's Indianapolis. I think that's a bit. I think keep going. I think. Oh wait, you've gone past it. Left.
Actually, screw it, I'll go around the Top Gear test track.
Alright, but it's very small.
That's fine.
You're gonna want to go for full circuit.
Yeah. Full circuit, overcast, outer loop.
I would recommend you go full circuit, see how this thing does in the corners. Car, the Lamborghini Reventon. Very fast indeed.
Very beastly car.
Very beastly. Alright, and Top Gear test track, the full circuit, 1.75 miles.
Dunsfold. It's just
Dunsfold.
Dunsfold.
Yeah. England.
60 Fahrenheit. It's pretty nice weather.
Nice sunny day. Perfect. Perfect to burn some rubber.
Ooh, airplanes.
Well, what do you expect? It's on the
Do this!
Yeah!
Yeah!
Indeed.
If only you could see this car right now. It's amazing.
Look it up on Wikipedia. Reach 60.
Hopefully you can actually hear the noise of the engine.
Probably can.
Ooh, bollocks tyres.
Oh. The indestructible wall of time. Oh man, I'm not looking forward to see what that did to the bonnet at all.
Yeah! Oh, shiza. Bollards! Cones, whatever they're called.
Screw your cone.
Screw you cones!
Alright, now listen.
Yo,
Just so you know, hot
and your
laps
turkey.
lasts unlimited. Is unlimited, so when you're done with a lap, you press the start and quit.
Okay.
When you're done.
Ah! Car! Ah! Yeah!
Rewind. Be kind, rewind. Don't be afraid to manually slam the brakes on a bit yourself. And a
Wow, 1 minute 35. I'm not in the reasonably priced car though, am I?
No, you're in the unreasonably priced car.
The amazingly tires.
The amazingly tires. By the way, the ghost of the previous lap is following you.
Oh, bollocks.
Although you didn't have to go from standing start.
Woo! Where do I go? Where do I go? Where do I go? There.
Use the arrows.
I was like, I knew where to go.
Rewinds.
Like, where do I go from here? No.
Rewind. Follow those arrows.
I'm trying, but it's...
Arrows are religion.
I'll go from there. Because now I know where I'm going.
Also, there's a little wee track map.
There we go.